Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Toyota RAV4 SX6, stock reference number 5009. This shape runs from the 11th month 2005 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2GR 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, spare 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 3 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, interior mirror, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.